We are about 2 weeks out from the Ozarks Homesteading Expo. This is our first year attending the conference and being a vendor at the conference. And they are said to have 5,000 people.
That's a lot.
Going. So this is going to be our biggest vendor event yet. So it's time to get to work. We are slowly getting all of our supplies in for our microgreen grow kits, which is what we are taking to the conference, as well as extra seeds, our knives, my Tiny Greens, Big Dreams, Launch Your Own Microgreens course book, and Little Bros Micros. So you guys are gonna be selling. So we have a lot to prepare for today. The boys and I are gonna assemble half of the kits. We're gonna wait to fill the dirt bags on a different day. So we're just gonna get the trays, the seeds, the booklets, the quick reference guide, the logo sticker, and I gotta run to town to get the bags. I order our cute little canvas bags from a local girl that makes them here in town. And she's quickly working away, so as she gets a few bags done, I'll run to town, grab them, and then we'll continue assembling the kits here. So we got a lot of work to do to get ready to prepare for this. I think it's gonna be a good one for us. We always love going to these conferences, get around like-minded people. Everybody has the same morals and views and, you know, just the same thoughts as us. So it's gonna be super fun. We're gonna be chatting a lot, and we're excited because Sissy's coming.
Yep.
Sissy and Shar is coming with us. That's obviously my stepdaughter and granddaughter, so they're gonna be traveling with us. It's gonna be a fun little family RV trip and good times. So we're gonna go ahead and get started on assembling these kits. And if you're unfamiliar with our kits, I'll go ahead and run through it real quick. So you're gonna get 2 sets of bootstrap farmer trays. These are high quality, good BPA free, made in America, will last you a long time. You'll be able to use these trays forever, over and over and over again. So we give you 2 sets of those. I put together a little booklet that tells you the benefits about microgreens. It talks about each variety, as well as a link to videos walking you through the specifics on how to plant, care for, and harvest and use your microgreens. A quick reference guide so you can stay on track. It takes 10 days to grow these microgreens from start to finish. Just keeps you on track day by day so you know what you're doing. And of course, who doesn't love a little logo sticker? Put it on your water bottle or your refrigerator or whatever you do with your fun little stickers. And we're offering something different with the kits at the Homesteading Expo. The kit usually comes with only 3 varieties of seeds, which is the broccoli, the salad mix, and the sunflower shoot. So since we created these kits originally, we have added a new variety of microgreens, which is the pea shoots. So we are actually going to offer all 4 varieties as a special for this expo. And you also get a bag of the soil that I use to grow my microgreens. It's a high quality organic soil. We'll be bagging that up a different day. That takes most of the time putting these kits together, and it's a pretty dirty job, isn't it? So I think that's it. It's time to get to work. So we have a nice little assembly line going here, and we're gonna try to get 200 kits put together today. Ready? continue on assembling the kits. We're actually going to store these in my grow room. I have some empty shelves in there that we'll be able to store them until we can completely assemble these together. We won't bore you watching us put these kits together, but we're pretty excited about this conference. There's going to be tons and tons of homeschool and homestead families that already want to grow their own food, know that growing their own food is important, sustainability and family life. So I think our kits will be a wonderful tool for the attendees there. Most homesteaders love their gardens in the summer, sometimes in the fall, but during the winter months, that's where microgreens can really come into play and be so beneficial for people that want to continue to grow their own food. It only takes 10 days. It doesn't take a lot of space. You can grow right indoors, right on your kitchen counter, or any available space that you have. Even if you're in an apartment living, you can grow microgreens. No special lights are needed. Our kits provide you everything that you need to get started. Like I said, the trays, the soil, the seeds, the know-how, the knowledge.
It's easy.
It's easy. It's so easy, kids can do it. That's why the boys put together their own little mini versions of our kits to help teach kids how easy it is.
Yep.
Yep. And then a wonderful thing about us here at Barefoot Microgreens is after you've used up the seeds in your kits that we initially give you, you can go online and you can order more seeds through us so you can continue to grow microgreens during the winter and early spring months. And if you don't have the space to have a garden, you can grow microgreens all year around, have a nutrient-dense superfood, be able to get closer to your food, know where your food comes from. And then as soon as we get back from the Ozarks, we have another huge event we're going to, another 5,000 attendees, and that's actually at Veg Fest in Minnesota. So it's going to be a pretty far travel for us. Sissy and Char's going to go with us on that as well, and I think Corey's mom's going to go with us. So the festival we're going to is basically a vegan festival, and although we're not vegan, I think the microgreens would be a wonderful tool, and we're going to take all the kits there as well. So we have a lot of work ahead of us. It's going to be fun, lots of travels, lots of good times with family. We'll make sure we video it all so you guys can go along with us. Thanks for watching today's video, and if you guys are interested in growing your own microgreens, remember you can get these kits online at barefootmicrogreens.com and start growing your own superfood right away. Another way you can support us is support our channel, and that means subscribe if you haven't already, and
like and share the videos.
Like and share our videos. See you guys later.
Peace.
Peace.